Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode on the channel. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about how to speed up and make your Fire Stick cooler and make it running just like it was the day you bought it. Yes, you are right. 2019, let's make this happen. You know, because you don't need to go out and buy another 4K Fire Stick. You don't need to go out and buy another device because with these simple steps, you'll have it cool and running like gold in no time. So the first thing I want you guys to actually do is if you have your Fire Stick plugged in to a socket, take it out. That's right, take it out. Because what I want you to do is plug it into the back of your TV via HDMI, but then with the USB, put it into one of the USB ports and have it powered by your TV. Why do I say that? Well, because think about it. If you turn your TV off, your Fire Stick's going to turn off. If I turn my TV off with the Fire Stick in the wall, or the power source from the wall, well then my Fire Stick doesn't turn off and it runs for the whole night, and you get up next morning and it's burning hot and your house is going to explode, and well, you don't want your house to explode, do you? So that's why, first thing, Fire Stick back of the TV, make sure it is being powered by the TV. Now the second thing here, you're going to need to go into your settings. So let's go up here and let's go to the right and let's go to settings. So when you get to settings, first thing I want you guys to do is just go to applications. Right, when you're in applications, scroll down to where it says App Store. And then where it says automatic updates, turn those off. Because, you know, you don't need all those automatic updates. If you want to update it, just manually go ahead and update it. You don't need it constantly reminding you for those automatic updates. And keep going on in the background trying to update all the apps. Waste energy. And where it says notifications, turn that off as well. Because you don't want constant pop-ups coming on from the App Store about your apps. And then back out of that, and then go to where it says, and unless you are using Amazon Photos, turn this off. Unless you're actively using them to store your photos, turn this off, because you don't need this. And then go off as well, if you're not using Amazon Photos. If you are, you can skip this step. And then scroll all the way down to where it says Manage Install Applications. And then in this section, uninstall every app that you know that you never use. If there's an app you installed to test something on and you know you're not going to be using it, just go ahead and turn it off, because there's really no point in you keeping that up, and it's just wasting everyone's time, wasting the space, and stressing out your Fire Stick more. And we don't want to stress out our Fire Stick. It's already stressed out enough trying to stream that 4K content, you feel? And back out of that. And then back out of that, and now go to where it says Preferences. So click on Preferences, and then go down to Privacy Settings. Once you're in Privacy Settings, go ahead and turn this off. We don't need to know about this marketing, you know? We don't need it to use our personal data, right? I don't want it taking my personal data, you know? And I know you don't want it as well, because if you value your privacy, then you wouldn't want this on. And then go ahead and scroll down and turn this one off as well, and then turn off interest-based ads, turn those all off. And then go down to where it says data monitoring and turn and make sure this is off. And then go down to where it says notification settings, and I want you guys to go ahead and make sure do not interrupt is on. And the reason is because if this is on, this is going to make sure it blocks all application notifications so they don't keep popping up and going bing, 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 bing until 3 a.m. in the morning, because you don't disturb your sleep, do you? But no, seriously, go ahead and turn this off because you don't want that. And then back out of that. And then go down to where it says featured content. And unless you really want to scroll up on that home screen and let every video play every single time because you really want that, go ahead and turn this off. I don't watch those banner videos, okay? I only go into my amazing apps and just stream all my favorite movies. You know what I'm saying? But make sure these two are turned off. And there you go. There it is. That is how to speed up your Fire Stick, make it cooler, make it faster in 2019 without the use of any external apps. If you guys want a separate tutorial on the best app to clean your Fire Stick, make sure you do message me, comment down below, and let me know if you do want that. But look, if you don't want any more extra apps, clog in your Fire Stick. This is the best way to do it. I mean, this has completely changed my experience. I don't need to upgrade to a 4K Fire Stick now, and I hope you guys don't need to upgrade from whatever device you're running right now to do the same. That is it for today's tutorial. If you did enjoy it, make sure you do smash that like button, make sure you do comment down below, and make sure you are subscribed to the channel, because you don't want to miss another video, do you? And make sure you are following my Twitter and Instagram for more media streaming tutorials and everything tech related on planet Earth. I hope this helped. I know this helped because I did it myself, so you guys are all going to be ahead of the game. Look, you're already ahead of the game. I mean, you've subscribed to this channel, so you're ahead of the game. But now you followed this tutorial, well, now you're 20 miles ahead of the game. But look, thank you ever so much for watching. Comment down below what you want to see next, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy.